Hello, student. I hope you all are safe at home, and we have start a new semester. Into that, I have taken a subject of fifth semester is concrete technology, and you all know me very well, and we have start with the teaching scheme and examination scheme. Into that, we have take a three lecture theory session and one is a practical session in every week as per the divided batches, and total credit of the subject is a 4, and examination marks is divided into two parts. One is the theoretical mark and second one is a practical mark. These all marks are also you know about the marking system of these theory exam and practical exam. Into that, 70 mark is the end semester exam, and 30 marks is a mid component or remedial component. Next one is a practical component. Into that, 30 marks is a end semester viva, and 20 mark is a progressive assessment. In practical marks, we have consider the lab manual and practical performance of the practical performance during the lab session. Also we consider in practical marks, and we also conduct the practical examination at the end of the semester. So from that we have put the mark of practical and end semester viva. Now we start the briefing about the syllabus. This subject is a old syllabus, but subject is a transfer from fourth semester to fifth semester. All the syllabus or all the content is the same as the previous semester or previous syllabus subject. Into that, first chapter is a general chapter. Into that, we have discussed about historic development and component of concrete, and you also know what is concrete, and what are the component or what are the ingredients used in making a concrete. And we also discuss into that advantages and future of the concrete technology, and their special types of concrete also. Next chapter is ingredients of the concrete. This chapter is a very most important chapter, and most of the question coming from this chapter also. Into that, we have discussed about various uh, ingredients of the concrete, like cement, sand, aggregate, water, admixture, etc. And also discuss about the various practical perform for the quality check of the cements and aggregate, and also the various admixture. In admixture, divided into chemical admixture, and second one is a mineral admixture. We will discuss in a detail in this chapter. And next chapter is a third chapter is a fresh concrete. Into that, fresh concrete we have measured various quality check testing, and study about the what is a fresh concrete and what is the manufacturing process of the concrete. Into that, various steps we have to taken for the construction of the concrete or manufacturing of concrete. Into that, we also discuss about the workability, segregation, etc., and bleeding, retamping also discuss in chapter number 3 into the fresh concrete. The main important of this chapter is to determine the workability and property of fresh concrete, because it is an effect on a hardened concrete strength. So we have discussed in a fresh concrete. And next chapter is a hardened concrete, fourth one. Into that, we have discussed about the various strength performed for the concrete strength, like a compressive strength, tensile strength, and flexural and bond strength also as per the American standard testing material. So this is the fourth chapter, hardened concrete. Next one is durability and permeability. In this chapter, we have discussed about what is a durability and what is a permeability, and also discuss about the weathering effect on a concrete, how they can behave and how they can provide a service in a various aggressive environment or a severe condition. like sea water and like chemical companies, what are the effect produced on the concrete. Next one is a mixed design. This chapter is a very most important point of view from concrete technology, and you will go for a site engineer. As a site engineer, then you can make a mixed design for the various concrete. Into that, we have produced the mixed design concrete as per the IS code, and also the uh, give the various testing for that. So into mixed design, you have to prepare a mixed proportion of the various component like cement, sand and aggregate. And also if you can use the uh, admixture, then mixed design also change. So according to material, you have to create a mixed design and also affect the concrete strength. Next one is a special concrete and concreting method. Into that, we have discussed about various modern trend or various present scenario of the special concrete. Into that, we have prepare a high strength cement, high strength concrete, high performance concrete, fiber concrete. You can, some of the student prepare some design engineering project about special concrete. So you can study about the spatial concreting in chapter number 7, and also discuss about the concreting method. Yeah, how will you make a concrete in a various weathering condition like a hot weather and cold weather, and also some underground concreting method discussed into that chapter. And last chapter is a miscellaneous topic. Into that, we have discussed about the various taste after some year or after some time of the concrete, like after 5 year or like after 10 year, you have to check the concrete strength without any damaging or with the damage. So you can also use the different types of destructive test and non-destructive test. Into that, we have conduct some test for the uh, old concrete and old building. So this all about the concrete technology syllabus. Into that, you have to give some reference book like AM Neville property of concrete, then DF Orchard concrete technology, and one of the best reference book of the concrete regarding concrete technology is a MS Sethi and ML Gambhir. So this is all about the syllabus of the concrete technology. In the next video, we will start the chapter number 1, general. So be prepared.